Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to show you a quick fall pasta recipe with a nice homemade pumpkin sauce. Pumpkin puree is going to be made from home as well, and I'm going to link that whole video down below so you can check that out and really learn some more about pumpkins. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit subscribe. So first things first, season your pasta water with salt, and I'm using a Gemini pasta today, so add that in. I'm going to cook it until al dente. And while that is going on, grab some olive oil, put it on a pan that's heated on medium heat, and then add in your portobello mushrooms. I slice them thinly, just like that. They're going to shrink. Now when the mushrooms come up to a sizzle, just season it with some salt. That's going to help release some of that water. And we'll continue to saute until they have released most of it. And we'll be saving these sauteed mushrooms to top with at the end. These now look pretty good to me. Most of the water has come out. So just set it aside on a plate with some paper towels. Now, same pan, back on the heat, attach more olive oil. Then add in onions and garlic. Just mix that up. We will saute until the onions have become translucent, flavored and scented everything. I'm going to add some chili flakes for some heat. Now, nobody wants to have something that's too extreme. You don't want sweet on sweet. So the sweetish kind of creamy flavor of the pumpkin needs to be cut by the onions, by the creamy cream cheese, and chili flakes with some heat to just cut through that sweetness. In the meanwhile, my pasta is ready. It's al dente and just have some of the water still in there to make sure it doesn't dry out while we wait for the sauce to get ready. Okay, my onions are looking great. So now is a good time to add in your pumpkin. It's going to take a few minutes just for it to warm up because it was chilled. Just to help it have a more sauce-like texture, I'm going to add in some broth. Otherwise, this would be too thick to really act like a sauce. So this texture looks pretty good to me. It has a nice thick texture, seems very similar to reduced down bechamel sauce. And now, as it starts to come up to a simmer, we're going to add in just about half a block of cream cheese. Mix this, break it up. Now we should be good to just mix that all in. Time for me to switch to a whisk and just get all the cream cheese to combine with the sauce. There's no lumps. Most definitely some salt. That sauce has just the perfect texture, so it's time to add in pasta. And now it's time to mix. And I'm telling you, if I didn't know that there was pumpkin in here, it would be kind of hard to guess. It looks just like a mac and cheese, and it is very similar in taste. I know there's no cheese in there yet, but it's kind of incredible and just a great way to incorporate pumpkin into anybody who is kind of afraid of veggies, like me. This just tastes amazing, and I can't wait to have it, but we're gonna make it better first by adding in some Gruyere cheese. We'll also add in some Parmesan cheese. We'll just mix this up and make sure you turn the heat off. Look at that. Now once you've plated it, don't forget to top it with the mushrooms you worked so hard for. So I'm just gonna dot that around. And here are some micro arugula, and it's delicious. And it's just gonna add just that pizzazz to your dish. Now, honestly, when I first heard of pumpkin pasta, I did not envision this. So I'm glad what it turned into. So if you want more videos just like this, if you've been enjoying pumpkin all month long, then let me know down below. Let me know if there's something else you want to see after pumpkin month is over. And for something sweet after this awesome pasta, check out my pumpkin spice latte. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Oh, and if you notice that I'm wearing AirPods, it's because my other microphone got busted. So this is what I have for now.